And the last three on this page. Now they're going to switch things around a little bit. Sometimes your exponent on the outside is going to be positive, sometimes it's going to be negative. If it's positive, we're going to go ahead and apply the exponent to our expression. If it's negative, we got to get rid of the negative exponent first. So in this case, since this is positive, I'm just going to go ahead and square each of those things. So I'm going to square the negative 3, which gives me positive 9. I'm going to take w to the 4th and square it, where I multiplied my exponents and got w to the 8th. I'm going to take x to the negative 2 and square it, where I multiplied my exponents and got x to the negative 4. Then, if I have a negative exponent, which I do, I have to get rid of that negative exponent. And so I'm going to end up with 9w to the 8th over x to the 4th power. Now the next one, notice the exponent on the outside is negative. So if the exponent on the outside is negative, I want to do the reciprocal of the base first, which just basically means here, since I don't have a fraction, I'm going to put 1 over 4a to the negative 6b to the 5th and make that exponent positive. Now I'm going to square. So 1 squared is 1, 4 squared is 16, then multiplying my exponents, I'm going to get a to the negative 12, b to the 10th. I still need to rewrite that without that negative exponent. So the a that's negative on the bottom is going to move up to the top to make my exponent positive. So on my final answer, the a to the 12th is on top, 16b to the 10th is down on the bottom. So go ahead and try number 27 there. So, first thing I did is got rid of the negative exponent.
Okay.
Since the exponent is negative, I have to do the reciprocal of my fraction, which flipped it all the way upside down. So the bottom moved to the top, top moved to the bottom. Then I applied my exponent. Negative 5 times 4 was negative 20. Negative 2 to the 4th power. Negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 gave me a positive 16. And then 2 times 4 was 8. Then I did have an exponent that was negative. It was on the top, so I had to move it to the bottom. I then had to remember there's something up on the top. It's a 1. And so I got 1 over 16 w to the 8th, x to the 20th. So just keep in mind, if your exponent is positive, apply that exponent first But if it's negative, you have to do the reciprocal. If you don't have a fraction, you're going to put 1 over it. If you do have a fraction, you're just going to flip your fraction upside down and then go from there. All right, we're going to work on our pie chart till about 9:45, and then we're going to do the next page.